which lie between minus 4 by 11 and plus 4 by 11. So this is what we have to check now. Now one important point to note, instead of trying some foolish tricks, what you note is the denominators are same for these two numbers, right? For these you have to compare. So the options which are positive means this 7 by 13 and 5 by 8. The number which are positive is definitely bigger than minus number, minus 4 by 11. So should you compare these options which are positive with minus 4 by 11? Definitely not, because they are definitely greater. Suppose here these are the numbers, suppose this is a number line, and you have to check whether 3 lies between minus 2 and 7. So will you compare this 3 with minus 2 at any time? No, because you know definitely it is greater than minus 2. So never compare this positive with minus, because it is a waste of time. So numbers, options which are positive is definitely bigger than minus 4 by 11, and also vice versa. The options which are negative are definitely less than the 4 by 11. So don't compare them with 4 by 11. It's again a waste of time, right? So 7 by 13, compare it with 4 by 11. You cross multiply it and you get 77 is bigger than 52. So 7 by 13 is bigger than 4 upon 11. So it does not lie between the two numbers, right? Minus 11 by 15, B. It is definitely less than 4 by 11. So compare it with minus 4 by 11 only. Minus 11 by 15, minus 4 by 11. Cross multiply, you get minus 21, minus 16. So minus 21 is less than minus 16, means minus 60. So it means minus 11 by 15 is less than minus 4 by 11. So it will not lie between minus 4 by 11 and plus 4 by 11. Okay. Next. Similarly, minus 2 by 11, compare it with minus 4 by 11 only. Cross multiply, you get minus 22, minus 44. So minus 22 is greater than minus 44. So minus 44 is less than minus 2 by 11 is less than 4 by 11. So this is true. Similarly for D, 5 by 8 and 4 by 11. You will have to compare it with plus only. So it becomes 58 and 40. It is bigger. So it does not lie between these two numbers. So C is the answer. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.